guys, this is Eli from Chrysler Jeep and Ram, here to give you a quick walk around video on this Ford F-150 Roush. Now this comes with the mega cab over here, as you can see, and tunnel cover as well. Now and the side steps over here, you can see these huge rims on the side. These are general rims, very good for the off-roading or just the all-terrain. Sorry. Now this has the Roush, this is the Roush package, so it has the Roush suspensions and a Roush grille over here. This comes a pretty fully loaded truck. Let's take a look inside and you guys will see all the features that come with it. Starting off with the fact that you could actually connect to Wi-Fi here. Now you do have heated seats and all your climate control over here. And then from the screen here, you could listen to your music with great speakers. You could connect your phone, and then you could have your apps over here, which you might need to connect to Wi-Fi to. And then in the settings, you get to edit this vehicle to your personal liking. As you can see over here on the steering wheel, you could voice command straight from the steering wheel, and then you have the range, transmission temperature, and a lot of other descriptions on this car or more information. You could actually go to your off-road settings here and see the tilt and angles and everything here. It has great towing capabilities as well. You have lots of room in the back, and these are all leather seats with the Roush written on the seats. Lots of room for storage here, just like that. And there's also a plug over here. More storage in here with some USB ports to connect your phone. And right over here, another plug. Now this does have a trailer brake controller over here as well as trailer backup. And over here is where you get to choose between two-wheel drive, four-wheel high, or four-wheel low. So yeah, if this is a truck that really interests you, you could give me a call. My phone number is 613-745-7051, and my extension is 1103. Or you could just call in and ask for Eli, and be very happy to help you acquire this vehicle. And one last feature I did not mention before I go, this beautiful panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the back of the cab. Yeah, thank you so much.